In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a curved arrow in Figma. Whether you are annotating a mockup or guiding attention in a presentation frame, a clean curved arrow can make your design clearer and more engaging. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can replicate it quickly anytime you need. First, open your design in Figma and navigate to the canvas where you want the arrow to appear. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can place the line precisely and see the details of the stroke as you work. Make sure you are on the correct page or frame before you begin, so the arrow lands exactly where you intend. Next, create the baseline of your arrow. Press the L key on your keyboard to activate the line tool or choose it from the top toolbar if you prefer clicking. Click once to set your starting point, then drag toward your destination. If you want a perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree line, hold Shift as you drag to keep it straight. Release the mouse to place the line. This straight line will become your curved arrow in just a moment. With the line selected, look to the right-hand panel for the stroke settings. This is where you can add an arrowhead to either end of the line. Choose an arrowhead for the end where you want the point to be, or add one to both ends if your design calls for it. This setting applies to your existing line, so you can immediately see the arrowhead update on the canvas. Now, enter vector edit mode so you can bend the line smoothly. Simply double-click the line. You will see points appear along it, indicating that you can edit its shape. Don't worry, this isn't complicated. You are only going to adjust one point. Find the point in the middle of the line and click it. Then, drag it up or down to create the curve. Small drags will give you a gentle bend, while larger drags will make the arc more dramatic. Keep an eye on the arrowhead as you adjust. Figma maintains the arrowhead orientation, so your arrow still points cleanly where you aimed it. If the curve feels too sharp or not smooth enough, ease the point slightly back toward the center until it looks natural. You can always undo and try again if you overshoot. That's it. Thanks for watching.